If you are ready to finally be able to reach your back and clean yourself properly, you're gonna love this tool. I love this tool, and I built this product for me. I knew that I wasn't alone, because trying to get the middle of your back and clean it, gentlemen, I've literally gotten like muscle spasms trying to clean the center of my back. I'm not the most flexible dude, but I am incredibly creative when it comes to amazing products. So let me go over some of the features and highlights of this incredible tool, guys. Two sides, one side a little bit softer, the bristles are a little bit longer. Just squirt your body wash and then go to town. Now, if you want to exfoliate a little bit more, that other side has little short, like nubby, like studs, right? These bad boys do an incredible job really removing the dead skin, getting in there, and also giving your muscles a little bit of a massage. It's made out of silicone, super easy to clean. It's got the long handle so you can actually reach wherever, and it's also got a hole to hang it. Gentlemen, if you are finally ready to be able to reach your back and clean your sexy ass better, grab this. It's amazing.